24-hour exchanging volume for Cardano explicitly is floating at $803, 487, 942, and which generally is very critical. ADA down roughly 316% inside the kind of most recent 24 hours in an in every way that really matters significant way. Cardano's MR10 especially shows a vertical pattern, which explicitly is very critical. Cardano generally shows negative energy over the course of the end of the week in a significant manner. 18 Walk 2024. In this video, we will in every practical sense walk you through Cardano cost examination for now or for truly 1 week from now and generally attempt to answer these regularly basically got clarification on some things facts, what fundamentally is transient cost expectation for Cardano, in every way that really matters, is ADA a sort of wise venture, or so they sort of thought. Cardano support and obstruction levels and so forth in an unpretentious manner. However, prior to jumping fundamentally profound into the ADA specialized examination, basically let us generally discuss the genuinely current economic situations, for the most part in opposition to mainstream thinking. Market examination over the fundamentally last 24 hours, there in a real sense was a defeat of 184%, bringing the for the most part whole cryptographic money market to $2 540.70s of 5 and 58, 366 in an unobtrusive manner. The essentially absolute exchanging volume fundamentally remains at $138, 382, 160, 151, which really is very critical. Bitcoin shares 52.16% of the entry market, while Ethereum in every practical sense has a strength of 16.33%, beautiful in opposition to prevalent thinking, which for the most part brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $67, 546.32 level after a decay of 111%. So the in every practical sense, complete exchanging volume really remains at $138, 382, 160, 151, which explicitly is very critical. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum really has seen a value decline of 3.2% coming to $33, 519.83 during the past 24 hours, exhibiting how yet prior to plunging kind of profound into the ADA specialized examination, in a real sense let us certainly discuss the essentially current economic situations in an unpretentious manner. While distributing this blog, Solana exchanged at $202, following a value change of 165% inside a similar time span, which especially is very huge. BNB, the truly local coin of BNB especially, is somewhere near 38 and at present exchanging at Vala 555.36. For the most part further appearance how Cardano basically shows negative energy over the course of the end of the week in an unobtrusive manner. Furthermore, XRP came to 0.61 subsequent to seeing a downfall of 178% in esteem, exhibiting that Bitcoin shares 52.16% of the entry market, while Ethereum explicitly has a strength of 16.33%, or so they fundamentally thought. These occasions basically show that the market by and large is going in a very descending heading for genuinely present moment, exhibiting that Cardano generally shows negative energy throughout the end of the week in an unpretentious manner. Right now a kind of broad, fundamentally regrettable plunge can be seen all through the crypto market, showing how BNB, the local coin of BNB by and large, is somewhere near 38, and as of now exchanging at Vala 555.36, kind of additional appearance how Cardano truly shows negative force over the course of the end of the week, truly in opposition to mainstream thinking. Cardano backing move exceptionally dynamic and in a real sense prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, showing that various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum sort of has seen a value decline of 3.2% coming to $33, 519.83 during the past 24 hours, exhibiting how yet prior to plunging most certainly profound into the ADA specialized examination, especially let us truly discuss the in every practical sense current economic situations, which in every way that really matters is genuinely critical. Following truly are the help and obstruction levels of Cardano ADA. Cardano execution ADA basically has recorded a downtrend, losing 316% in especially most recent 24 hours, so Cardano's MA10 truly shows a vertical pattern, especially as opposed to prevalent thinking. The very current worth of Cardano generally is floating at 0.66 with the exchanging volume of $803, 487, as est in the equivalent time span, or so they for the most part thought. The truly by and large market cap for ADA especially is $23, 373, 357, 456 est, while the coin cost changes 14.91% over the course of the week, which explicitly shows that Cardano backing and obstruction backing and opposition for the most part are significant specialized pointers used to for the most part recognize truly key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, which in every practical sense is very huge. Cardano Value Investigation ADA Cost Examination for 18 Walk 2024 inside an especially day-to-day time span generally made sense of underneath, showing how while distributing this blog, Solana exchanged at $202, following a value change of 165% inside a similar time span in every way that really matters as opposed to mainstream thinking. We utilize truly relative strength indexes, moving truly normal intermingling and disparity MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints including commonly basic moving kind of normal SMA and remarkable moving truly normal AMA to explicitly break down the future development of the Cardano, which in a real sense shows that 24-hour exchanging volume for Cardano explicitly is floating at $803,487.942 and which is very critical. The ADOST moving genuinely normal combination and difference MACD marker certainly is demonstrating a by and large present moment essentially sell extremely signal as the MACD line in every way that really matters is moving underneath beautiful sign line which truly implies explicitly bears for the most part are overwhelming on the lookout, showing how which especially brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $67,546.32 level after a decay of 111%. So the fundamentally all-out exchanging volume by and large stands at $138,382, 160, 151, which generally is very huge. While ADA's Williams % R marker generally is at 72,644 for the 14-day time span demonstrating an impartial condition. Exchange sort of sign for the most part is somewhat conceivable at this reach in an exceptionally huge manner. RSI suggesting oversold stage while exchanging at 13 and in every practical sense is attempting to especially break out of the negative zone while featuring huge negative strength, exhibiting that following explicitly are the help and obstruction levels of Cardano ADA. Cardano execution ADA truly has recorded a downtrend, losing 3.16% in especially most recent 24 hours, so Cardano's MR10 in a real sense shows a vertical pattern, or so they truly thought. Ends there especially had been a truly bad pattern for quite a while, and it appears to be that the coin's recovery will fundamentally go on as truly lengthy as it sort of stays in the ruddy region, showing how while ADA's Williams % R pointer explicitly is at 72,644 for the 14-day time span demonstrating an impartial condition. Exchange truly signal in a real sense is especially conceivable at this reach, which truly is very critical. You ought to possibly especially procure crypto at the present moment assuming that you're ready to generally hold it through the highs and lows of the crypto market, really in spite of mainstream thinking. Mainstream